Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can use the AND function to add comments to your numeric formulas in Excel. So here on my screen, I have a sheet containing the list of students and their various test scores. And I want to take the average of these test scores. So I want to add a comment to the formula as I take the average, so that when someone is going through my sheet, the person will be able to know what I did here. So what I will do is just to find my average now, and then select the numbers. So to add the AND function, I will just include a plus sign, then a capital N, open bracket, open quotation, then type my comment. So I will say this is the average of the test score. Then I'll close it and enter. So when someone is going through my sheet and comes here, the person may be confused initially what I did here to get this 67.8. But once he clicks on the formula, he will be able to see, there is an AND function here, which is helping show this comment. And with the comment, you will know what I did here. And that's just what I want to demonstrate in this video. And I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.